You think you could be my wife, and I ain't gon' ask your ass again, no. So you better let your friends know. You ain't never leaving me, I'm never leaving. So we all as good as kin, folk. Girl, when we vibing, I be in my zone. Sending me love on the phone when I'm gone. You know I know you ain't sleeping alone, so I pick you up so you not on your own. When I type that, I'll be right back. Send a picture with the text, you know I like that. They can get up in the zone we into, but synchronized minds are single mental. Your skin so soft and your touch is gentle, but you thug into this one fucking with you, goddamn. Baby, I see it, I don't think they know, but girl, you my Aaliyah. If we not at your best, they still wanna be here. We cool, but we building bigger than IKEA. Call you my moon, I ain't talking about your ass or nothing, but you shine when it's dark, you don't ask for nothing. You sugar cause you say I'm chocolate, and I ain't no good without you. Good girl, but you hail from the north and the block boy, bring that hood. If I just chillin' shit, I feel your shit for real. You worth more than $1 million and a deal. By my side, you riding right or wrong, you got me focused, girl, I'm in the zone. Hey, I'm in this zone with you. Don't matter what I'm going through. I chill at home with you or roam with you. Feel like I'm on when I be gone with you. Hey, I'm in this zone with you. Hey, don't matter what I'm going through. I chill at home with you or roam with you. Hey, feel like I'm on when I be gone with you. When I didn't have a way, thought I couldn't drive. BJ Young at the school, need a ride. I had the money. It was funny when I tried to supply it. You ain't needed, I get it, but you would always deny it. Cause you got your wrong for real, and no matter what haters say, I know the deal. When I got locked up, you was waiting on the call. Shit, I mean, defending me, really telling them all. He ain't do it, no. Baby girl, we done been through the most. You in my corner when I'm on the road. Say she use my lingo, thank you, music dope. Hot. Can't wait to get on. She been riding, so me, her and Jay gon' be on. I get granny a crib and get poppin' some chicks in retirement so they could just stay home. On my own now when it would've been a bummer, but I got a tip with a figure like zero and a number. One who gon' post up, she ain't out here doing the most. She don't be counting my toes, she be chillin' with Niece and it's so be a piece. She got like you when she laughing my jokes. Stood up for my brother when they said he won and I love you for that. I just think you should know they throw dirt on your name, but on me to the streets cause I bring it to them and they saying want me to stay all of you be, but I'm not buying that. Let's stack up our chips, we gon' move out in peace. Chillin' shit, I feel your shit for real. Worth more than $1 million and a deal. By my side, you riding right or wrong, you got me focused, girl, I'm in the zone. Hey, I'm in this zone with you. Don't matter what I'm going through. I chill at home with you or roam with you. Feel like I'm on when I be gone with you. Hey, I'm in this zone with you. Hey, don't matter what I'm going through. I chill at home with you or roam with you. Hey, feel like I'm on when I be gone with you. Hey.
Are you all in love? Yeah. Baby, what would you know about love?
Love. That's love. Love.
I got dreads, wear SBs, and I rock shants. I'm from the block, so you know a nigga in the stance. I be tripping cause I'm sagging, trying to wear the pants. It's cause I'm nervous, can't you tell by these stupid rants? I know I fucked up, my niggas say I lucked up, cause you holding me down even when the deuces was chucked up. I make hits for you, I enrolled in the institute. I accept I was tripping, but baby girl, you was tripping too. She fly in the bird, she never on the curb. She bumping on my shit and she never miss a word. That's true. She wanna see change, so I got a beat change. Honestly, I'm thankful she willing to help me change. Well, how you feel about that? That's love. Well, what you think can make her do that? Love. Have you working on all the shit you lack, even though you know they like you like that? Still, baby, that's love. Name something all the girls shoot for. Love. How you tryna clean it up? No loop for. Niggas do it all for the money, but honey, tell me, what would you do for? I got a mission to tell people who listen. My life without no filter, but tell me what I had you missing. Where you at? You know I'm with it, all these missions I be hitting, I'ma spend it when I get it, it's coming with no limits. So what you want, let's link, baby, I got you. I did you wrong, so treat you good, I got you. These niggas sell out, get locked up, won't bail out. These niggas off brand like pants, baby, they not true. Look, I'm just trying to get it right with you, baby, no excuses, stupid shit, it's insane how you drive me crazy, but crazy, keep it amazing, like 97, you blazing, my breath is what you be taking, you shocked that I must be crazy, hold up. Baby girl, if they taking shots, I bust back. Never another nigga that does that. Ooh. I just gotta earn me some trust back, so when I say I'm on my way, no doubt you can trust that it's love. Well, how you feel about that? That's love. Well, what you think can make her do that? Love. Have you working on all the shit you lack, even though you know they like you like that? Still, baby, that's love. Name something all the girls shoot for. Love. How you tryna clean it up? No loop for. That's love. Niggas do it all for the money, but honey, tell me, what would you do for? Love. I mean, I'd probably do it all honest. Earn a stack from the rap and blow it all on it. I spend time, not a grip. I might trip with a nigga I'm love sick with, no vomit. I write your poetry, bring flowers too. I hope you up, we could be on the phone for hours, boo. Anything you name it, for you it's nothing. But first you gotta tell me something. Well, how you feel about that?
That's love.
Well, what you think can make you do that?
Love.
Have you working on all the shit you lack? Even though you know they like you like that, still, baby, that's love. Name something all the girls shoot for.
Love.
How you tryna clean it up? No loop
That's
for.
love.
Niggas do it all for the money, but honey, tell me, what would you do for?
Love.
Well, how you feel about that?
That's love.
Well, what you think can make you do that?
Love.
Have you working on all the shit you lack? Even though you know they like you like that, still, baby, that's love. Name something all the girls shoot for.
Love.
How you tryna clean it up? No loop
That's
for.
love.
Niggas do it all for the money, but honey, tell me, what would you do for?
Love.